Hi everyone, Amber Canoy here with Everyday Kentucky. Jimmy McKinney, the skinny, is with us of J&R Construction.
Wait,
How are you?
Are you skinny or am I skinny?
We both skinny.
Oh, okay.
Does that work? Thin, slender.
I'm
not the one who coins myself Jimmy McKinney.
I did not give myself that name.
Somebody else did, and you just took it rolling.
In high school, and I'm still about the same size. So.
Well, lucky you. All
Good
right.
genes.
Anyway, back on topic. We are at one of your projects over in Jessamine County. This is a full basement remodel.
Yep.
Oh, completion, right?
Yeah, full finished basement. We so there were some handicap accessibility needs. He has a brother that lives with him that's quadriplegic in a wheelchair. So we do a lot of things strategically. We've got an elevator going in that's going up to the first floor. They did that in anticipation for the future.
When they built the house.
We finished it out. And then we've got an accessible bathroom, another bathroom, guest bedroom, kitchen, gym, laundry room. They've got a whole house down here.
And I love this color.
Yeah.
It's something a little
Guess
bit.
what this is?
What is it?
It's a countertop.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
You'll have to go back and watch a few older
He's done
episodes.
this to me several times. You would think that I would know better by now than to actually play right into that.
But this project we worked with, so a lot of our clients want to do some of the pieces themselves. So they actually did all the painting themselves.
Oh.
So we worked through that, and we with our schedule and things like that, we'll put time in there for the homeowners, and sometimes it takes a little longer to get stuff done and over weekends and everything.
But I do love this color because we see so much of the black and the grays and just the whites and everything. It's nice to see a little bit of color, but it's in a muted kind of tone and everything that works really, really well, especially with the color and tone of the flooring.
Floor, and then the paint, backsplash tile, yeah. So that's where working with our design team, coming up with those as you're going shopping in that design process and things. So.
And I know I was kind of looking through some of the books and stuff, kind of trying to figure out exactly what everything was going to be. So 2 bedrooms?
2 bedrooms,
Okay.
2 full baths, kitchen, gym, laundry, storage room, storage areas everywhere.
When do you anticipate this project to be completed?
I
Through
think
him
it's
one.
That's a good question.
We'll get back to
No,
you.
we'll get back to you. No, electric's finishing next week, and so we should be within a couple weeks.
What? Really? Wow, okay. Well, we'll have to make sure we come back out after everything is said and done and give people a final look. In the meantime, if people are thinking now ahead, Christmas is around the corner. I mean, it's probably even a little bit late to even kind of get started on this project.
We're having conversations with our clients right now because the design process, can take 1 to 3 months depending on the project, and then to get it into production to get a start, and then you have the time. So if people don't want holidays, this time of year, we do a lot of where we get through design, sign off, and then we start come January.
Right. Yeah, that makes a whole lot of sense.
So,
all right, how can they get a hold of you?
Call the office, 859-225-0162, or visit us online at jrcsi.com. Check out all our social medias, TikToks, all that good stuff.